Hey, I just got done making some lavender botanical bath soaking salts. So I use Pink Himalayan sea salt, a spa salt, which is a white premium bath salt, Dendritic salt, Epsom salts, and then I put in my Tapioca starch. It's a modified starch, and what it does is it helps to hold the Bulgarian Lavender Essential Oil, the scent, and it doesn't cause any clumping or anything like that. It's a nice dry salt. And then these are lavender buds that I grew here at my homestead, and then these are the calendula flowers, and I pulled off all the petals, and these are the little seeds that remain. And then these are the purple cornflowers, or what we call over here bachelor buttons. And see, I have pink there, which is kind of unusual. Normally just see the purple. And then the little seed pods right there. Hey, this is Diane from Vermont Lavender. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And I am going to bottle these up. I just want to make a nice big batch of them. And then I'm going to be making my mussel soaking salts. And these will not, the mussel soaking salts will not have any of the flower petals and things like that. Mussel soaking salt, and this has dead sea salts. I don't know if you can see the grain size right there. And dead sea salt is rich in minerals, and so it has a strong mineral scent. But I also used peppermint essential oils and eucalyptus and lavender. So it's a Bulgarian lavender is what I used here. So this should be really nice. And see, as you can see, it has a little bit of this little brown fleck right there, so you know that it's a genuine dead sea salt from the Dead Sea. I made a rosemary peppermint one, and this is essential oil, fragrance oil blend. I think it's like 85% essential oils in it, so it's pretty nice. And it's from Crafter's Choice, and this soaking salt has Epsom salt in it, has Himalayan pink salts in it, has spa salts, which is a sea salt, which is nice and fine, and it also has dendritic salt, and it has tapioca starch, which is modified. So check out my lavender chamomile one. And these are my chamomile flowers and lavender that I grew in my garden here at the homestead. And so these are real chamomile flowers, and then these are like the little seeds here. So if I was to take this and actually plant it in some soil, they would actually grow. So here is my dried chamomile, and then these are the little remnants right here. All right, thanks for joining me today, and check out my video on the foot soaking salts, and I'll see you in the next video.